I'm back on campus for the second time. I was very eager to return after my first experience here at Jakarta University. I really enjoyed my time with the students, reconnecting with them after a couple of months being gone. I've seen them grow and change and evolve as chefs, build more confidence in their skills, and they're very eager. They're at a different level at this point. They want to explore their own creativity. They want to have fun with food. They want to be able to enjoy that creative process, which is all we want in the end. I think that the most exciting part of this evolution, of this journey for them, is just these new experiences that they're experiencing. And basically, today we did new garnishes, something new, something a little bit more unique, and they really embraced that technique. So they want to basically take any knowledge that they can grasp at this point in time. I am so very excited to have them come to Canada. I continue to tell them all the time that when I'm back home and they come back in September, it'll be wonderful to be able to sort of try to be with them as much as I can to really show them the city. So I want to be able to share and experience the same Canadian culture with my students when they arrive. So that's very, very exciting.